Hi, I'm from PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to turn off fast boot in Windows 11, and I will guide you through each step so you can do it easily on your own computer. Step 1. Open the search menu by clicking on the magnifying glass or pressing the Windows key, and type in Control Panel. This allows you to access system settings in Windows. Step 2. Click on the Control Panel app from the search results to open it. The Control Panel is where you can manage many Windows settings, including power options. Step 3. In the top right corner of the Control Panel window, set View by to large icons. This makes all options visible and easy to find. Step 4. Click on Power Options. This section lets you manage your computer's power settings and behavior during startup and shutdown. Step 5. On the left side, click Choose what the power buttons do. This will allow you to access settings that control shutdown and startup features. Step 6. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable. This step is important because some options are locked by default and need administrative access to modify. Step 7. Under Shutdown settings, uncheck Turn on Fast Startup if it is checked. Disabling fast startup helps prevent certain startup issues and ensures a full shutdown each time. Step 8. Click Save Changes to apply the settings. This confirms your choice and turns off fast boot on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel.